Hi, my name is Black Glove. I am a pirate. Arr! Vanuatu, the name of a country that up until 2 years ago I'd never even heard of, is widely believed to be one of the wildest cruising grounds in the South Pacific. With its black sand beaches and villages that are rumored to have rarely seen white people, there's tons to explore. But first, we have to sail there. We start our journey in one of our favorite villages on the northernmost tip of the Asawa Islands in Fiji. We stopped in there, dropped off some masks and snorkels with the local villagers. This is Sam. Say hi, Sam. Bula.
Bula.
Sam is from the village. What's the name of your
Sawa
village? Sawa Irara. Last time we were here, we gave them a really big fish.
Oh, too good.
Too good. Are you looking forward to going sailing now?
Yeah. No. We're stuck to the boat for 4 days. I don't like the waves.
Actually, I do.
It's always wavy and bumpy.
Prefer
yeah, we will see.
You're like Sayo, you're a lifestyle sailor.
Yeah.
Like scared of getting really seasick.
It's always the guys that like to go sailing.
I want to move with the wind.
What are you looking forward to?
Oh, I found her.
Maria, what's happening?
Well, yes. Lots of rain and lots of waves.
Is it exciting?
I don't know about exciting. A little bit scary.
Well, I think my toast is burning.
Well, I got a free shower last night, so that was good.
I wish it was over, but I'm hanging in there.
Going.
Crew morale is not very high overall.
I think we got into a squall, or something coming from the squall, and the wind shifted, so we are going in the wrong direction.
Tim was correct. We're going in the wrong direction.
A big fish?
No fish.
A little fish?
Yeah. No fish in the ocean.
It's from the ocean.
Daddy, flying fish.
It's a flying fish.
Up there.
It goes up there?
Oh, that's actually taking this stuff down? You should have seen me last night.
We had the sail break away from the boom, had to repair it twice. I saw a nice long shooting star last night. So it was just sort of moments of pure calm interrupted by panic and stomping around and climbing up and all that stuff. So
a regular day.
a regular night on the open ocean.
So we got this fish. Our camera is stuck in zoom mode, but it's a pretty big fish, good size. Walu. Cut my thumb getting this fish. Dolphins! Welcome to Vanuatu!
The crossing
Wasn't that awesome?
wasn't that awesome, but it was. I'm glad I got to experience it. Yeah. The crossing was rough, but it was bearable. It was just hard to get used to the constant moving and banging, and I kept thinking something was hitting the boat and we were gonna all sink, but that was just in my head.
Would you go sailing again?
Yes.
You would?
Yeah.
Would you buy a sailboat and go sailing?
No.
Oh. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.
That would turn out.